Hi, it's me, it's Imari. I'm so happy to be with you here today. It's been a long couple of months. I have not been able to be here because I'm just busy in the pandemic and preparing other educators physically in person at the school where I am a administrator, a leader. And so I am happy to be here with you today and doing some letter sounds. So we're going to go ahead and work out some letter sounds with you today. So here we go. F. I want you to pay attention to my mouth because with letters, when we go to do our phonics, we want to make sure that we're positioning our mouth appropriately to make the letter sound and not adding any additive sounds or additional sounds that will kind of like make people confused, make our children confused, right? And so when they, have those additive or added sounds, they begin to try to blend and also chunk, and it just doesn't sound right. So we want to make sure that when we're teaching letter sounds, we want to make sure that our lips, right, tongue, teeth, and the sound that comes out is exactly what that letter sound, portrays or sounds like. So knowing that your bottom lip is in between your teeth and you're pushing out that air, right? F, F, un, fun. Okay. Now here's another letter G, G, G. And you can put two fingers right up under here, this area right there, and you can hear the G. Game, G. Aim, game, G. Letter H, hat, hat. Now I always put my hand in front because it's a breath that shoots out of your mouth. And you can see that little gap, right? There's no closed lips, teeth, none of that. It's all like gaped. Okay, gaped open. Okay, let's talk about vowels, long and short. So we have long vowels and short vowels. And so long I says its name. So long vowel I says ice cream, I. And so here's another one that just I. It just comes out. There's no closure in the mouth. So your mouth is open. I. Now, short vowels does not say its name. It's a little to it. I always make a face like, and so short vowel I says eh. Okay, so eh. So it's not as long vowel I where you're like I, like open, right? My tongue is a little U-ish. Okay, tongue is a little U-ish in my mouth to make that sound. Igloo, okay. Letter J, j, j. And see, my teeth are together. J, j. Okay. I want to be really, really careful about not doing the additives, right? Ja, j, j, j. Don't want to do that. I just want to say j, j. Some people say ja. It's not ja. It's j. Okay. You see my lips move just a little bit. J. Okay. Jug, j, jug. J. We'll do one more. Letter K. Kite, kite, k. Okay, and so it's k. Your tongue in the back is just a little curved. K, k. Okay, like you're kicking something out. Kite. K. All right, so thank you so much for viewing this video. I'll see you later.